Hi, welcome back. For the next few minutes, I'm going to be showing you how you can create different luxury outfits for your characters, different kinds of characters you are creating, either cartoons, either realistic, either all the any kinds of character you want to create for your AI stories, for your UGC products, for your advertising or influencer, especially fashion influencers and all that. Do you get? So in this video, I am going to be showing you how you can create your desired outfit for the character. And if you have not watched this video we started, this is the part B of this particular video. In this video, I made a detailed tutorial how you can create AI storytelling, like all these, not all the generic AI storytelling, rich cinematic and Netflix level of AI stories that you see on your screen. You see all those Instagram, Facebook, TikTok story, AI stories, and you'll be feeling like, is this AI or is this real human being or is this real Nollywood or Netflix movie? So without wasting much of our time, make sure you check this video out, this particular video in the channel. It will make you understand from A to Z. I am very sure by the time you watch this video, you are not going to be paying for any AI classes again. And this is the continuation of that particular video. So that is so you see the reason why you should watch this video. So this is how I drop rich tutorial on this platform that you don't even need to pay for any classes before you get to know what you are doing. So you might need to use the subscribe button, turn off your notification so you can get to know when I drop tutorial every time. So without wasting much of your time, let's get to business. So this is the story we've been working on from the previous video, and now what we want to do in this tutorial is how you can change your character outfit to your desired one, to the one you decide. You see some movie, they will have specific school uniform. Do you get? They will have luxury wardrobe. You see all the CEO, and you'll be feeling like, even this AI has clothes more than me. You've you've seen all those kind of movie, all this rich and luxury outfits. So this is how you are going to be getting them, and you can get them in two different ways. Number one is discretion. So let's say we've generated our story, we've gotten our story idea, we've generated our scenes, and we've requested for our character prompt. So this is our character prompt, right? This is for the husband, this is for wife, this is for the child, doctor, and the friend. So let's say this is our character prompt for the husband. What Remember I said it is divided in two ways. Number one is you describe the clothes, you describe the outfit. Thing is, like I said in the first video, you see that I'm mentioning the first video because it is rich. You can go there and watch it before you watch this one, or you watch this one then and go there, so you can have better understanding of what we are doing here. So after you've gotten our character, right? In generating my character, I normally use this prompt. Give me character prompt, full body structure, facing front, in a plain white background, because I don't want distraction. I want the full body of the character. Okay. So in this place, this prompt, you can include your character outfit here. So let me copy and paste here. You can do this. Can you see now? So this is number one step. Number one step is we want to generate the character and describe the clothes. You can describe the clothes. So here, when I sent this prompt, so when I sent this particular prompt, they gave me the character prompt. This is the character prompt without any outfit. I did not describe any outfits that I want. So they gave me outfit that suits my story. So this is the first outfit they gave me, generic outfit. I did not request for it. They just gave it. Can you see now? It is based on your prompt, because in your prompt you specify whether it is suffering, rich, luxury, and all that. It's in the previous video. So this is the generic outfit they gave me. So the other the so this is the generic outfit they gave me. You can use this one. So to get the particular outfit that you want to use, maybe you have the outfit or you want to save, you can just go to Pinterest and look for nice outfits, luxury outfits that you want to use. Okay, just search for any outfit here. You can search for male outfits. Yeah. So you can search for male outfits. Can you see? Can you see different kinds of outfits here? Just click on one and save it. You see, you can keep scrolling. You search. If it's suits that you want, click on suit and save it. If it's native that you want, click on native and save it. Anyone you want to use, just click on them and save them. Let's say like this now. You see these three dots, you click on it. You see download image, you click on it. It will download and save. You can use any of this outfit here. Okay, you can use any of this outfit here. Just click on it, download and save. Click on it, download and save. Click on female outfits. So any of these outfits that you want to use, click on it and use it. Any of these outfits, just click on it. You see these three dots? This particular three dots. You see download image. You click on download, then you use it. So let's go to, or you save, or if you have outfits on your phone or your personal outfits, you just take the pictures and all that, or your business work, your business or your work from your fashion wherever, then you can just click, then go ahead and use it. So let's go back to ChatGPT. So now that you have outfit for the husband and the wife, for your character in general, then you are going to click on this button, this one. I'm going to click on this button, this one. Click on it. You click on add photos, photo library. So you are going to bring the image of the outfits that you want to use and the image that you saved. So this image of this person, then yes. So let's say this is the outfit we want him to wear. So you tag the outfit, then you upload it. So can you see the image of the man and the outfit? So you are going to put this font, wear him the outfit in frame 2. Wear him the outfit in frame 2. So we are going to send it. Can you see? Wear him the outfit in frame 2. So you send it. Then you wait for your image to load. Put it. So now ChatGPT is giving us 2 options. I think I'll go for which one is better? So we have image 1. This is the outfit. Can you see now? From this one to this one. Can you see? This is how you change the outfits. You bring in the wife too. So let's change the outfit for the wife. So this is the wife. Let's look for nice outfit for the wife too. Okay. I think this should be cool on the wife. So we are going to say where are the outfits in frame 2. Where are the outfits in frame 2? Then we are going to send it. It is the images that you are going to use. Can you see now? Can you see, is this the same woman? The same woman, different outfit. Can you see now? Can you see the new outfit? So this is how you change their outfit, that it will not change their face or anything. And you change them one by one. If you want to change the hair now, you can go ahead and change the hair to another thing.
Okay, if you don't like the back, you can change the back. Don't just change everything at the same time. Like you want to change the back, change the head, change the face, change the lip gloss, change everything at the same time. It will tamper a little bit with your character. So if you want to change anything, you change them one by one. So to continue the scene that you want the new outfit to be, then you create the scene with the new outfit with the new outfit like this. Then you do your character tagging with the new outfit. You create your scene, then you generate your movie. So this is how you change your outfit basically. Okay, and save them, use them. This is how you save them. You click here. If this is on tab, if it's on phone, you see a down arrow here. You can just click on it, then you save it on your phone, or just hold it down, then you save it on your phone. Can you see this one? Can you see download? Then you click on it and save it on your phone. So this is how you so if you want to create the scene, you tag them with the new outfit, then they'll be in the new outfit. If you don't know how to do that, check the previous video attached to this video, then you know how to create your video from scratch to end without paying a dime to anybody. And if you find this simple tutorial helpful, kindly use the subscribe button and turn on your notification because I'll be dropping another tutorial in the next video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.